Tesla has released new software update with auto steering wheel heat and Sentry mode. What do they mean, auto steer? Oh, I already have that. See, that's another thing that I have. Auto steering wheel heat based on the other climate settings. So you turn steering wheel and seat heat to auto. And then if you are boosting for like high heat because it's cold out, it's going to put those things on as well.
Oh, okay.
Because it realizes you're cold without you needing to toggle each one individually. Tesla has started to release a new software update to its fleet of customer vehicles, 2 new features, auto steering wheel heat and Sentry mode lighting. This is 2023.2.0.5. Set your steering wheel heater to regulate its temperature automatically based on the climate control set temperature. This is nice. I do like the way, even though if they're not going to put knobs and dials, finding a better way to figure out user behavior and say, how can we limit the number of inputs to get you where you want to go? Like what all the things you're trying to do, or they probably even have data of all the things you typically do. Like, hey, what's the external temperature or internal temperature of the car? And what does a user typically do in this circumstance? So it's, and it's Celsius, we work with Celsius up here in the north. If it's minus 10 outside Celsius, person's probably going to want a little bit of steering wheel heat, probably going to want a little bit of seat heater, probably going to want a defrost going on for the windshield and for the rear windshield. And then can we like make that one clickable? Can we just have a person click one thing like high and then all those things happen at once? It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And then what happened with Sentry mode? The new software update, Tesla's making a significant change to Sentry mode. Sentry, Tesla, what's the difference? On top of filming what's happening around the car, Sentry mode is also capable of detecting potential threats. Yeah, we're aware of this. Oh, here's what's new. When a threat is detected, Sentry mode will softly pulse the headlights to indicate that your vehicle is recording video. The pulsing stops after 60 seconds or when the vehicle is unlocked. So pulsing instead of, because it currently has like a blink thing going on, or previously I should say, like a flash. But maybe people don't, maybe that's less of a deterrent than if it just keeps pulsing and the person's like, I don't know, I feel like I'm being recorded.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a cool feature.